show you right now if you give it up.
You need to start spreading the gospel right now. Tomorrow is not promised. This is not the time to be scared. This is not the time to be ashamed. Jesus said, if you are ashamed of me in front of your friends, I will be ashamed of you before my Father in heaven. The sad reality is that without the gospel, people will be going to hell. So you need to share this to one of your friends and just let them know that Jesus loves them, Jesus died for them, and Jesus paid the price for them. In Romans 1:16 it says, for I'm not ashamed of the gospel, for it is the power of God to salvation to everybody